I'm Nikki.
I'm Kelsey.
And this is our first home.
We just bought this townhouse. We literally closed today and we love it, but it needs a little bit of love. And one of the biggest projects is this green carpet.
I just am really excited to walk in the door and not see like a sea of green.
I'm excited to see the new floors and with the pony wall down. It was the biggest thing for me to want to open up the floor plan.
It was awesome. It looks so much better already.
Today, flooring begins. Floor guys are coming today. Carpet's coming up. We're putting new flooring down. This is the thing we've been waiting for.
So when it comes to home renovations, there's always this option to do it yourself, or better known as DIY. There technically are projects that we can DIY, but because we're looking to move in 2 to 3 weeks, our best option was to hire contractors or companies to do the work for us.
Also, we want to stay sane and happy people.
Yeah.
So when the pony wall came down, it left this little hole. And so to lay flooring on top of it, it has to be flat. So we're gonna fill it with concrete.
Like realistically speaking, like DIY projects for something like ripping up the carpet and replacing the floors, it's like that would take up several weekends for us because we work Monday through Friday. So then that's, every Saturday and Sunday for the next like month that we're in here just like tearing stuff up on our own, which sounds very difficult. And then also like we're not builders or like contractors. So if we make a mistake or if we do a bad job, then we're the only ones to answer for it. And then, do you have to go through the process of hiring someone to fix it? So then you're paying someone to do it anyways.
End up doing it twice.
Right. If we were much handier versions of ourselves and we had a lot more time, then I'd say, yeah, maybe we could save some money that way, but we're not.
We're gonna tear it up and replace it with luxury vinyl plank. So it looks like wood, but it's not real wood.
They're water resistant, they're damage resistant. There's a layer of cork underneath so that they're a little sound deadening because we have neighbors downstairs.
And it's like kind of a bit of a cheaper, more durable option as opposed to like actual hardwood, which can actually be quite expensive.
We got floors, we got floors, we got floors, we got floors. Kind of. After getting bids from like 4 or 5 different flooring contractors, we finally moved forward with one. They were able to get it done in 5 days. Grand total came to $7,682, which is right around where we were hoping to be. And that was for about 1,000 square foot of flooring that we're gonna have for, the rest of the time that we own this place, which could be up to 30 years or more. Do you love them?